My name is Brittany Queen, and I'm a chiropractic radiologist as well as a certified Class 4 SUMIS medical laser technician. I've performed thousands of Class 4 laser treatments and have personally seen it transform patients' lives. Each laser treatment is quick and painless. Laser therapy delivers a specific wavelength of laser light to induce a therapeutic effect within the body. Benefits include increased circulation, drawing water, oxygen, and nutrients to the damaged area. With thousands of different settings, I'll make sure that each treatment is customized to give you the best possible results. The main physiological effect of laser therapy is reduced pain and inflammation, enhanced tissue healing, increased circulation, and boosted cellular regeneration. Therapeutic laser has been used in Europe since the 1970s and was cleared by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration in 2002. Thanks for watching and enjoy your first Class 4 laser therapy treatment at Columbia Family Chiropractic.